Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about how to delete saved passwords in Firefox. Delete saved passwords in Firefox. To remove a login, such as a site you no longer visit, a site you no longer visit, select it in the list on the left. Select it in the list on the left and choose remove on the right. Remove on the right. Confirm the deletion by selecting remove once more. Confirm the deletion by selecting remove once more. On Android, select the login from the list. Select the login from the list. Tap the three dots and pick delete. Confirm by tapping delete again. Confirm by tapping delete again. In the pop-up window, Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.